How to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Simply click on your profile and then go to plus button at the bottom. In here you won't be able to see live. So simply take a screenshot and then go back. In your profile, you will find 3 lines on top right corner of your screen. Click on 3 lines and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down till you find report a problem. Click on report a problem. And then you'll find all these options. Click on live. Then click on hosting live. Then simply again click on how to start a live. And is your problem resolved? Simply click on no. Click on need more help. In here, simply click on report a problem and send. Click on submit a ticket. And then say, I am not able to go live on TikTok, and paste the screenshot. Click on submit and you're good to go. This is how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.